Now, in this part, we are going to talk about has one true and has many true relationships in Laravel. So let's open our database diagram. In here, I have a student table where each student is enrolled in a single class and each class have a single teacher. So right now, I want to fetch the students with their teacher. So I have to call the student and connect it with the classes so I can fetch the teachers. So let's go to a database and inside the student model, in here, let's create a new method for our relationship. So let's type public function teacher. Then inside here, I will type return $this has one true. Then I have to mention the model we ultimately want to retrieve. In our case, it's the teacher. So I want to fetch that teacher. Let's type in the first parameter the teacher's model. So teachers colon class. Then we have to type the intermediate table. So in our case, the table between the student and teacher is the classes. So we are going to call this model is type it like this. Let's brew this down. So let's type here classes colon class. Then after that, we have to mention the primary key of the intermediate table. So in our case, the primary key of the intermediate table is ID. The primary key of the class is ID. Then comma in the fourth parameter, we have to mention the primary key of the teacher's table. So the first primary key of the class, then after that the primary key of the teachers. So this is also ID. So let's type the ID as well. Then we have to type the foreign key of the students table which connects student with classes. So the foreign key which connects the student with the classes is the class ID. So we are going to type the class ID, and finally we have to type the foreign key which connects the classes with the teacher. So in that case, it's teacher ID. So let's type that also in our case, teacher ID, teacher colon ID. That's it. Let's add the semicolon, save this. Now let's go to students controller and inside our index method, instead of subject, I will fetch with teacher the same name that I gave here. So let's add it here. Let's save. Now let's go to students inside our browser. Okay. So in here it fetch all the students with their teachers. So in here, as you guys can see, the class ID is 5, and in here we have one more column with the name of Laravel true key, which is 5. So this student and this is the its teacher. As you guys can see, all the students have a single teacher. So we have successfully fetched the teacher using the students.